Welcome to you. I'm so glad you're here. In this meditation, we'll give ourselves a few beautiful moments away from stress and open ourselves to the gentle whispers of our inner self. This meditation helps me to find my way back to peace within me when daily life feels overwhelming, and I hope it does for you too. I'm Diana, and I'm honored to guide you. Let's begin. Settle yourself into a comfortable position, whatever feels right for you. Rest your palms facing open and upward, ready to receive the gifts of this moment. Feel the quiet energy of the earth supporting you and its gentle reassurance that you are safe here and you are loved. As you feel the support beneath you, gently turn your attention inward. Take a deep breath and gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a full, nourishing breath in, filling your lungs completely, and then release it slowly, mindfully, until there's nothing left. In these few moments, we will gently exchange the noise in our mind with the whispers of our inner knowing from our heart. With each inhale, imagine a soft, gentle light filling your mind, bringing a sense of warmth and comfort. With each exhale, imagine the many thoughts and worries that clutter your mind simply floating away like soft clouds on a gentle breeze. There's no need to push them, just let them drift from your awareness. You don't need to empty your mind, just create a little more space between your thoughts. What does this space feel like? A clear sky after the clouds have passed? Or a still pond with no ripples? Or simply a quiet room with no noise? Place your hands on your heart and feel the steady rhythm beneath your palms. Offer yourself a moment of gentle reassurance that you are okay, and within you there is peace to be found. Begin by simply noticing your breath, the rise and fall of your chest. Allow your breath to become your anchor, your guide to inner peace. With each soft inhale, imagine you are drawing in all the calm you are seeking, inviting its gentle presence into your heart and mind. And with each soft exhale, allow the lingering echoes of the day to drift away. Breathe in a sense of deep peace, a quiet stillness that settles within you. And breathe out any words left unspoken or feelings from unfulfilled expectations, releasing them into the spaciousness around you. Feel them dissolve into the lightness of the air. Together we have created a space of beauty and peace. Know that you are loved unconditionally and that your inner voice holds the wisdom you need. Allow a gentle smile to grace your lips, a gentle reminder of the value of your inner voice. Continue to rest in this gentle listening, breathing softly, trusting that your inner voice will share with you what your heart wants you to know. And now let's bring our awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes and reconnect to the physical space around you. Know that peace is within you always, ready to be accessed whenever you need it. Connect with the gentle rhythm of your breath. It's your constant anchor. Carry with you the sense of quiet connection to your inner self. When you feel completely ready, gently open your eyes. Come back to this meditation anytime you need to quiet the noise of daily life and listen to what your heart wants you to know. Subscribe to 3 Leaves. I have a new meditation for you each week. I wish for you a calm mind and body until we meet again.